Hi, this is Ms. Lamback for video number 2. This time we're going to be working on setting some basic formatting for our spreadsheet. The first thing that we want to do is we want to make sure that we can actually see the information in all of our column names. And so to do that, we're going to kind of continue something that we hit on at the end of last time's video and resize all of our columns. Last time I showed you how to drag on a column in order to make it bigger. But now I actually want to show you another small trick, which is that you hover between the column names and the little line that's between the column letters so that it turns blue and you get this arrow. If you double click, it will auto fit the text to the size of the longest piece of text. So I'd like you to do that this time for all the columns that you can't read the full names. So we're going to resize all of them. That's a whole bunch of columns. You may have to scroll down to get to all of them. That's it. So now all of our columns, we can see what all of their names are. Now the problem is that as I start scrolling down, I no longer know what each column stands for. And so what we can do is a super important thing, which is to freeze our columns. And to do that, we can go to View and Freeze, and we're going to freeze one row. What you'll see now is that now there's a thick line underneath row number 1, and now when we scroll down, it maintains it. Okay, so that is step number 1. What we've done so far is we've resized our columns, we've frozen our top row, and the last thing I want to show you to do for this video is to set some borders. I would also like to have like a thick line underneath my top row, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the 1. When I click on a number or on a letter, it actually highlights that whole row or that whole column. And I'm going to click here on this little box icon where it says border. I'm going to choose a bottom border in this case, and I would like it to be a thick border. When I'm done that, when I'll click out of here, I can see that I also have a line that's underneath my title column. In the next video, we're going to do some formatting to continue on. So now go to your spreadsheet, resize your columns, freeze your row, and set a bottom border.